What fears stop you? Hi, my name is Jeff Raker. Welcome to the question for today. Fear is a normal human emotion. We all have them. They appear in different ways. Some people are okay admitting they're afraid, and others, in fact, I'm almost certain it's a majority, want to push away the fear. I can't admit that I'm afraid, as if admitting it gives it more life and more power. Just the opposite is actually true. When I name the fear, it diminishes the impact of the fear and I can move through it. What fears are stopping you right now? It may be fears of things that are out of your control. Okay, that's normal. Name them. What are they? Write them down. Talk about them with your team. Get them out on the table, out of the shadows, out of the closet, out of the back room, and into the light. They will diminish in their impact for you and your team. What is it that you are afraid of right now, stopping you from moving forward? With social media and on-time news, there's a lot in our face to be afraid of. Name the fear, then move forward. Level up your leadership with this question for today.